Hello everyone, this is Aya, and in today's video I'm going to share with you 3 slimline cards ideas. So let's get started. Hi everyone, so we have here the first card. I really love it. You know, we have a brush, we have let's say watercolor, liquid watercolor, some ink watercolor tubes, and we have a palette, and we have some brushes. And to add these beautiful dimensions, I used liquid pearl and Nuvu drops. And a stamp I used to create this beautiful card is from Whimsy Stamps, and this one called Artist Toolkit. And the die I used Slimline Postage die. So cool, I really love it. And the paper or the cardstock I use from Unique. Okay, so we have this is the first card. The second card, ta-da! Look at this, so cute. So I use this stamp. Look at this one, it's called Know Me So Well. And the die called Slimline Marquee die. Love this one. Okay, and this is the die. And yeah, for the paper, let me show you. Come here. So for the blue one, I used Unique Design Heavy Base Weight Cardstock Blue Raspberry. Okay, and for the orange paper from Grafix 45 Pattern and Solid. This is Ephemera Queen. I love this one because it has solid paper. Nice and very good quality. And for the Copic markers I have all of them here. You can, you know, stop the screen or stop the video and take a screen shot for the colors. Okay. And the last card, which is my favorite, is this one. It's beautiful. I really love how this card turns out. You know, in the beginning I was a little bit hesitant because I feel I messed it up or I didn't like the color of this paste. But I don't know, after I put everything together, it's like mixed media card. Let me put it here and zoom in. I just love it. I just love it. Okay, so let me show you first. This is the die, Slimline Marquee die. And the stamp from Whimsy Stamps also, and this one called Mermaid Dreams. Focus please. Yes. Okay, so I heat embossed the stamp, you know, her mermaid tail. And where's the embossing powder?
One eternity later.
This is the color. What? Let me just read.
One eternity later.
Okay, I don't know what's the colors like. Brown or something, or metallic copper. Okay, and I color all the mermaid tails using Karen marker, Karen markers. Yes, these are watercolors, but I didn't use it as a watercolor, just like a marker, because I heat embossed the images, you know, on Nina Solar white paper. Okay, the paste I use this one. It's gone, finished. Bow Bunny, and there is a color for the name, Lemonade. I really love Bow Bunny paste, modeling paste, because it's really glittery and it's fantastic. I don't know, I love it. And for the stencil, this stencil is from Craft Story. This is, I think, what do you call it? A Russian brand. Yeah, it's like this, like bubbles. So cute, I really love it. Okay, what else? Yes, so for the background I use Grafix black opaque craft plastic. This is mouthful. I'm gonna leave the names and everything in the description box. And the background, I use these beautiful inks. The brand called Marabout. I think it's French, Marabout. So the cool thing about these alcohol inks, it's two colors. So we have here glitter, violet, blue, green. And the other one, what is the other one? Yes, the other one here. This is glitter, blue, green, gold. That's why you will see purple and blue and green. I mix them all together. Beautiful. So to add this winter effect in her tail and, you know, the sea, I use this Nouveau crystal. No, Nouveau. I don't have the packaging. It's a glittery something. So yeah. So here are my cards. Please give this video a thumbs up and write in the comment below which one is your favorite. This one is my favorite. Let me know yours. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I will see you next time. Bye.